Driveway asphalt sealant comes mostly in black, but you can add color treatments after it cures to suit your aesthetic needs. When sealing an asphalt driveway, start by assessing surface temperature and moisture, because sealant will not adhere properly if the pavement is colder than 40 degrees Fahrenheit or if there is active dampness. Clean thoroughly using a stiff brush and a degreaser for oil spots, then rinse and allow the surface to dry for at least 24 hours on a warm day. Trapped contaminants will cause poor bonding and early failure. Use a squeegee kit or a brush to apply a uniform thin coat, working from one end toward the exit to avoid walking on wet sealer, and maintain a wet edge to reduce lap marks. For cracks wider than 1/4 inch, route and fill with a hot pour rubberized crack filler or an appropriate polymeric caulk before sealing the field. Thin surface sealants will not structurally repair gaps. Expect to wait at least 24 to 48 hours before light foot traffic and up to 7 days before vehicle traffic, depending on ambient conditions and product chemistry. If you want color, wait until the sealer is fully cured and then apply a pigmented acrylic overlay or driveway paint formulated for asphalt, applying thin coats and allowing full flash time between coats. Do a small test patch first to confirm color and adhesion. Common mistakes include applying sealant over oil stains or unclean surfaces, which leads to peeling. The fix is to treat stains with a dedicated oil spot remover and replace severely contaminated sections if necessary. Another frequent issue is sealing at suboptimal temperatures or before rain, which results in blistering or washout. Avoid this by checking the forecast and only sealing when daytime temperatures stay above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and no rain is expected within 48 hours. People also over-apply sealant too thick, which causes long cure times and tracking. Apply thin, even coats and follow manufacturer coverage rates, and if a thick build pile appears, use a stiff broom or squeegee to feather it out immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project ideas and pricing guidance so we can help you plan driveway aesthetics and marking options. We also help contractors find leads and participate in our discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real-world tips and before and after experiences.